asking for help.
Hi there. Welcome to Learn English Through Stories channel. It's good to have you here with me again. Today, we are going to talk about something important. Something that we all do, and sometimes it's not easy. We're talking about asking for help. Yes, asking for help. It sounds simple, but many people feel shy. Maybe you don't want to bother someone. Maybe you don't know the words in English. Or maybe you think, I should do it alone. But you know what? It's okay to ask for help. It's a good thing. It means you're learning, you're brave, and you trust people. So today, I want to talk about how to ask for help in English, in simple words, in everyday situations. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with a very easy question. Can you help me? That's it. 5 words. Say it again. Can you help me? You can use it at school, at work, at the store, anywhere. Now let's add more words. Can you help me, please? That's polite. Always nice to add please. Let's try more. Excuse me, can you help me? This is very polite, very common. You can also say, I need some help. Could you help me? Would you mind helping me? That one is very polite. Now, let's look at where we might ask for help. At the store. Excuse me, can you help me find the rice? Do you have this in medium size? Can you tell me the price? On the street. Excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Can you help me find this address? Is this the right bus? At school or class. Sorry, I don't understand. Can you help me? How do I say this in English? Can you repeat that, please? At work. I don't know how to use this. Can you show me? Can you help me with this file? At the doctor's. Can you help me? I feel sick. I don't know the word, but I have pain here. Can I speak to someone in my language? You see, you don't need long sentences. You just need clear words and a kind voice. Here are more short phrases you can use. Can you show me how? What should I do? I don't know this word. Can I ask a question? Can you speak more slowly, please? Can you write it down? And remember, you can also use body language. Point, smile, use your hands. People understand. Let me tell you a little story. One day, I was in Japan. I didn't speak much Japanese. I was lost. I needed to find a train. I felt nervous, but I looked at someone. I smiled. I said, "Excuse me, train," and pointed to my phone. The woman smiled back. She didn't speak English, but she showed me the way, with her hands, with her smile. I said, "Thank you." She said, "Okay." And that was enough. You see, asking for help equals connection. We help each other. We learn together. Here's something to remember. You don't need perfect grammar to ask for help. Even if you say, "Help me, please." "Where bus?" "No understand. Can say again?" That's okay. People will try to help you because you tried, because you're learning. And when someone helps you, say thank you. A smile, a thank you, a little nod. It goes a long way. Let's practice now. Say the sentence after me slowly. Excuse me, can you help me? I don't understand. Can you say that again? I'm lost. Can you help me? How do I say this in English? Can you write it down? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Good job. Now let's imagine a conversation. You. Excuse me, can you help me? Stranger. Sure. What do you need? You. I'm looking for the bus stop. Stranger. Oh, it's over there next to the bank. You. Thank you very much. Stranger. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Simple, friendly, easy. Sometimes help is not about directions. Sometimes it's about feelings. Like, I feel sad. Can I talk to you? I need help with my homework. I don't know how to do this. That's also help. And it's brave to ask. Let's review some useful phrases again. Can you help me? I need some help. Excuse me. I don't understand. Can you say that again? Can you speak slowly, please? Can you write it down? Thank you so much. You can do it. And remember this. Everyone needs help. Even teachers, even doctors, even me. And that's okay. Learning a new language is not easy, but you are doing it. And when you ask for help, you are learning, growing, and becoming stronger. Thank you so much for listening to Learn English Through Stories channel. If you liked this episode, please follow the channel. I'll be back soon with another story. And if you ever need help with English, just ask. See you next time. Take care. And never be afraid to say, "Can you help me, please?" Bye-bye.